Good morning, everybody. This morning I am going to take a walk at the Radnor Lake natural area. And this is just outside of Nashville. It's really close to town, and it's a great location, and you're not going to believe how gorgeous this walk is. So let's do it. So we're walking up the trail, and I want to show you, it has this beautiful creek. I love the sound of that. Let's see if I can get a good shot of the creek. There it is. Beautiful. All right, let's go see the lake. There we go. So it is such a beautiful spot, and it is just so quiet and natural. And we are not even 15 minutes from all the hustle and bustle of Nashville. This is where we enter the trail that is just for foot traffic, just for hiking and walking. So yeah, so you see, no pets. You can have pets on the other side. So if you want to walk your dog, or your cat, or your lizard. Oh, look, a chipmunk. Did you guys just see that chipmunk? He was cute. Then you can walk on the other side. Like there's a paved side. This is the side where you see all the animals at. That's pretty darn cute. Are you eating a nut? Is that delicious? So delicious. You can see a beautiful bird looking so regal. So lovely. I wonder what he's thinking about. Deep thoughts. I am not very good at knowing types of birds, so you guys can help me. Is it a blue heron, perhaps? I don't really know, but he's really close to me. He's right there, and he's so gorgeous. Okay, so just thought I'd show you what we got here. I don't know what kind of bird that is. Goose? Is it a goose? I don't know. You guys are in the comments, let me know what. But look at that little turtle. He's so happy. He's doing his sun salutation this morning. And he's adorable. He's a happy turtle. So here we are, just hiking along. Radnor has some nice spots to just sit and relax. I just want to show you, I love the vines out here. Aren't those neat? They're just so wonderfully unruly. Gorgeous. Let's see how old this tree is. Oh my gosh, if an animal popped out of that tree, I would be screaming. There could be an animal living in there. I think I'll step away. Pretty cool looking tree though. You guys want to see an owl? Can you find the owl in this picture? I don't know if you can find him, but we're going to zoom in on him. Do you see him? He's so beautiful. He's looking down. He's like, what can I get? He's hunting. If he swoops down to get something, this is going to be like National Geographic. It's going to be quite exciting. There he is. He's just living in this little forest. So gorgeous. So here's another animal that is kind of camouflaged, but look how gorgeous. Just relaxing, just chilling. So pretty. So now we're coming across one of the most expansive overlooks on the lake. This is actually a new little deck that they just built last, was it a year ago? And it's a really nice place to sit and look at the lake at any time of the day. And it's even really pretty here, like when it's rainy out. It's so beautiful. I've done this hike in the rain and it's really nice. And there we go. Radnor Lake. All right, let's continue on. It's a really neat way that this tree, it looks like it fell, but then it lived. And so now it's just like, yeah, this'll work. It's just rolling with the, going with the flow, rolling with the punches. We should all be more like that little tree. There's some more zigzaggy vines. Love them. They're really cool, sort of abstract shapes. It'd be fun to come out here and do some paintings inspired by the Radnor vines. Put that on my to-do list. We are coming upon one of my favorite spots. It's this beautiful bridge. And I just always love the way it looks, especially in the fall and the spring. All the greenery. And we're going to go over another little creek that runs into the lake. It's a very gentle, slow-moving creek. But I'll just give you a second to listen to this great sound. I love to hear the birds in the creek. Okay, I want to show you guys this little tree. I love him. He's an individual, and he decided to grow right in the middle of the path. He didn't want to grow over there or over there. He went with this one. This is the point in the hike where you get to choose which trail you want to do. The lake trail is the one that we're doing, and the Ganier Ridge is a little bit more difficult. It's a great workout, and it will bring you around the ridge and eventually hook back up to the lake trail. So we're just going to do the lake trail. I'm going to take it easy. Little chipmunk. He's making a noise. I wonder what it means. Okay, so now we're walking on the road part. On the left, there's this boggy, swampy sort of area. It's really cool. You can usually see a lot of turtles and ducks. And then if you look to the other side, that's Radnor Lake. So we just walked around the lake, and back that way is the Otter Creek parking lot. So there's two parking lots here. So now this is the part that you can have dogs. You don't see quite as much wildlife, but it is really beautiful, and you can also jog on this part. So it's paved, and I'll show you guys some nice shots of the views along this part of the walk. Now that is a relaxed turtle. Snake! right, we are making our way around the lake, and this is another green algae bit of pond, and the color's actually spectacular. I'm sure there are critters that love that algae. Part of this road is sort of disintegrating into lakes. So they've got these fences, and they are always raising money and taking donations for Radnor Lake just to keep it preserved. It's such a treasure for our Nashville area to have something like this just right in town. Pretty amazing. And I just hope you guys will come out and check it out for yourself if you haven't. Well, that does it for our hike around Radnor Lake. It's a really quick hike, especially for how gorgeous it is. Normally I can do it in about an hour all the way around. And if you want to take your time and take as many pictures as I did, you probably want to do it in about an hour and a half. And I hope you guys will come out and take a walk around Radnor Lake and enjoy the beautiful wildlife and take some pictures. Post them in the comments below. I'd love to see what you discover. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye!